bunny rabbit. Where's the bunny rabbit? It's a bunny rabbit. Well, it's the Easter bunny rabbit. Whoa, but it's real cute. Yes, it is. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hoppity, hoppity, Easter's on its way.
Well, it's a good girl.
You're a good dog. You're a good dog. Hey, the Easter Bunny, you look real unhappy about being the Easter Bunny.
Nothing like torturing the dog for YouTube. Okay, Marlo, we take it off.
Wait.